Hello everyone. Today I will introduce to you software that automatically comments on posts in the group. This is MKT data software that will help you scan out group UID by keyword. Then you need MKT Care software to help you comment on the scanned group UIDs. You select the Comment to the Group feature and you paste the UID list and select the content. MKT Care software will automatically comment for you. And this is the result after the software works.